Hi, my name is David Lee. I'm the founder and owner of Vital Health. And today I just want to demonstrate and show you this really cool assessment tool I use called the BioAssessment. The actual real name is Quantum Resonance Device, but just for simplicity's sake, it's called BioAssessment. And I want to show you how I do this because it's integrated as part of my 1.5 to 2 hour full health and physical assessment that I do with clients for the last number of years, where I do a hormonal assessment, a food score sheet, as well as a bioassessment so I can see a readout. The actual assessment is using frequency technology where we have an actual device like this and it's hooked up through a program to the computer, and it actually runs about 60,000 frequency waves through every cell of your body. It actually reads the magnetic field of each cell. So when the cell is deficient, or if you're low in certain vitamin or mineral, or if there's a abnormality of some kind, it will read that magnetic field. And then it interprets it through obviously a major program, and we get actual health data on the client. We actually get up to 34-page readout of all the different systems of the body, like your mineral count, your vitamin level, your cholesterol level, your blood count, your white blood cells, your sugar level, your hormone level. I mean, the list just goes on. It's quite a medical readout. So we use this as a practitioner, and it really helps me as a nutritionist to really see where the deficiencies are. So I just want to demonstrate that with you today. So first of all, and by the way, it's also 95% accurate as well. So it has confirmed a lot of other tests that my clients have brought me. So this is Stefania, my past client and friend, and she's just going to demonstrate with me here today on how it works. So Stefania, you're just going to hold it with the left hand here and just kind of snug like so. And we've already entered in the information for time's sake of this video, so I've entered in her particulars like her weight, her age, her birth date, and her height, and we're going to start. So it takes about a minute for the assessment, and it's going through all the different areas and systems of her body. Now it's important that people do not have conductive material on their body like cell phones and that sort of thing. So as you can see, it's very non-invasive. It's really great for practitioners. And I'm actually in the process of developing a book because there isn't one, an actual work manual for practitioners to use. And I'll be actually offering courses to practitioners where they can learn how to use this in their practice for their assessments of their clients. So that is something that's going to be happening in the near future as well. So stay tuned for that. So we're almost there. Okay, so now it's finished. Just keep holding on to Stefania. So it's very sensitive sort of equipment, so you have to just kind of be careful you don't jar it and move things around. Now we're going to save the file. So it's saving the file. And I'm just going to save it here so we don't lose it. I've saved it. There we go. Okay. Now, as you can see, it gives us a full readout. So we're looking at now, you can set it down there, Stefania, thank you. And as you can see, we're looking at the cardiovascular of her input. Now, for privacy's sake, I can get into the particulars, but as you can see, we're looking at readouts of her heart, cholesterol crystal, blood fat, vascular resistance, myocardial blood demand, left ventricle ejection, coronary artery elasticity, and that's also determined, that is also affected by cholesterol buildup. So I can see if there's a cholesterol buildup, the elasticity will be quite high or quite low actually, because you lose the elasticity of the arteries and vessels when there's a plaque buildup, right? So this actually reads that. So it's really helped me when I'm dealing with people with high blood pressure and heart issues. Gastrointestinal, it gives me readings on pepsin secretion, how well the person is digesting their proteins, protein digestive enzymes, and also the small intestine and small intestine absorption levels. Actually, it shows me normal, severe, abnormal. I mean, it gives me very detailed readings. So it's very, very important to get this sort of information when you are a practitioner, when you do nutrition and health consulting. I look at also for nutrition, bone mineral density. So you look at, calcium loss, you look at hyperplasia, degree of osteoporosis, mineral density. It gives me readings on cervical calcification. So if a person is very, very low, that'll also show me that as well. So feel free to contact me if you are interested in the bioassessment. And I hope this has been very informative for you. And you have an awesome day.